Welcome to my presentation. Admission Department of Business Administration, first year, second semester. My presentation is about nouns before, during, and after the telephone calls, and the basic guidelines for using mobile phones in public places. Nouns before, during, and after the telephone calls. Introduce yourself. Picking up the phone, at first we should confirm with the person whom they have called. Then we always want to speak as clearly as possible since we don't get to identify our body language through mobile communication. Use proper language in mobile communication is very important. It might be acceptable to use slang and swears talking on the telephone with friends, but it is not suitable for a customer or unknown person. We should show respect during phone calls. Listen actively means hearing everything they have to say and basing our response of their comments rather than using a prescribed script. It is a one kind of good manner. Guidelines before using phone in public place. We should keep our phone in silent mode in public place. Suppose you are in the class, your phone is ringing. It must interrupt your teacher and everybody in the classroom. We should not make a call in public place because it interrupts other concentration. Suppose you are in the bus, you are speaking loudly on phone. It may interrupt other passenger in the bus. So we should speak softly in public place. We should avoid our personal talking in public place on mobile phone because it may interrupt. This is all about to me. Thanks for watching.